Properly using Printful with a Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you need to create a Printful account. You can sign up for a free Printful account at printful.com. Next, connect your Big Cartel. So, go to Printful's integrations. Select Big Cartel and authorize the connection. Choose products you want to offer and customize them, such as design, colors, and sizes. Set your selling price for each product in Big Cartel, considering Printful's base price and your profit margin. When a customer orders on Big Cartel, the order automatically appears in your Printful dashboard. Review the order details and approve it for production. Printful prints, packages, and ships the orders directly to your customers. Track your order status and shipping information in both Printful and Big Cartel. Printful automatically updates your Big Cartel inventory based on available stock. Choose Printful's shipping rates or connect your shipping carrier account. Now choose which Printful fulfillment centers should handle your orders based on location. Use Printful's mockup generator to create product mockups for your Big Cartel shop. Add your branding elements to packaging slips and packing tape. Custom product options. Create unique products by offering different design variations, sizes, or colors. Now, manage multiple orders at once with bulk edit and fulfillment options. Connect to Printful's API for advanced automation and custom workflows. Automatically send tracking information to your customers via email or SMS.